Assalamu Alaikum. Hello my dear students. So this is the 6th class of chemistry of 9th standard, and in the last class we were discussed about how to write the electronic configuration of atom, and we were detailedly learned in the class to how to write the electronic configuration of atom. Okay, so in this class we are going to discuss about, or we are going to draw the Bohr model of an atom according to this electronic configuration. Okay, so electronic configuration വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ Bohr model എങ്ങനെയാണ്, how to draw the Bohr model with this electronic configuration. So first of all we have to draw the structure of Bohr model structure of hydrogen. Okay, according to Bohr model how we can draw this models. Okay, Bohr model, and we know that the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and mass number is also 1. Then how we draw this structure of Bohr model. Bohr model എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് വെച്ചിട്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് Bohr model നമ്മൾ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the nucleus, and in nucleus we write the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Here we know that the atomic number is 1 and the atomic number is 1, and hence the atomic number is equal to what? The atomic number is equal to the number of protons, and here it is 1 proton. And how many neutrons are here? We calculate the neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number, and here the mass number is 1, atomic number is 1, and then the mass number. Okay, then mass number is equal to the number of neutrons is equal to 0. So n is equal to 0. Okay, 1 proton and 0 neutron. So we write that 1 proton and 0 neutron. This is the center. At the center we write the number of proton and number of neutron. Here 1 proton and 0. How it comes 0? Because atomic number minus mass number, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the nucleus, and we draw the orbit or the shell. So we know that atomic number 1, then it is only 1 electron. So in the first shell there is only one electron, and we draw like this. This is the hydrogen. Okay, 1. Then we are going to draw the helium. Okay, helium. So what is the atomic number of helium? The atomic number of helium is 2. The atomic number of helium is 2, and mass number is equal to 4. And how many protons? Proton is equal to the atomic number and 2. And how many neutrons? N is equal to 4 minus 2 and 2. Okay, so we can draw the nucleus first, and we write 2 proton, and how many neutrons? 2 neutrons. So in the nucleus we write 2 proton and 2 neutron, and we draw the shell here, or the orbit. We draw the shell or the orbit, and here it is there is electronic configuration 2, and we draw 2 electrons in this orbit. Our orbit il nammal etra electrons varikkunnu? 2 electrons nammal varikkunnu. So here we draw 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons. So this is the Bohr model of helium, and atomic number 2 and mass number 4. So in this way we write the Bohr model. We can check another examples also. Lithium. Okay, lithium, the atomic number of lithium is 3. Okay, the atomic number of lithium is 3, and lithium 3. And what about the mass number of lithium? What about the mass number of lithium? It is 7. Okay, 7, mass number 7. Then how many protons are there? Proton, atomic number is equal to 3, and then the proton is equal to 3. Okay, then the proton is equal to 3, and number of neutrons equal to 7 minus 3 and 4. Okay, then we can draw the Bohr model of what? Lithium. Okay, we are going to draw the Bohr model of lithium, and first of all we draw the nucleus. Varikkunnu. Here we write the number of neutrons and number of protons. Okay, so how many protons and neutrons? 3 protons. And how many neutrons? 4 neutrons. Then we draw the Bohr model. When we draw the Bohr model, the atomic number is 3, and then we can write 2, 1. Okay, in the second shell there is 1 electron. See, first of all we write the first subshell. Here electronic configuration here is 2, 1. Then we draw 2 shells. Okay, 2 shells varikya. Okay, in the first shell In the first shell, we draw 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons. In the second shell, we draw the 1 electron. Okay, രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഉണ്ടായതുകൊണ്ടാണ് രണ്ട് ഷെൽ. ഇനി 218 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 216 എന്നൊക്കെ വരുവാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, 3 ഷെല്ല് വരയ്ക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, so this is about how to write the electronic configuration, how to draw the Bohr model, and this is the Bohr model of what? This is the Bohr model of helium. Lithium. This is the Bohr model of lithium, and atomic number of lithium is 3. Then we can check another example, neon. Okay, neon. So what is the atomic number of neon? What is the atomic number of neon? Neon atomic number is 10. Okay, neon inde atomic number എത്രയാണ്? 10. And its mass number is, atomic number is 10 and mass number is 20. The atomic number of neon is 10 and the mass number is 20. Then how many protons? Proton is equal to 10. Proton is equal to the atomic number. And how to find the neutrons? 20 minus 10 then is equal to 10. So number of neutrons is equal to 10. Then how we draw this? And first of all we draw the, and what is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is 2 8. So the electronic configuration is 2 8. First of all we write the electronic configuration first, and after we draw this. Okay, 2 8. So first of all we draw the nucleus, and how many neutrons and protons? 10 protons and 10 neutron. And then we draw the first shell, K shell. First we draw the K shell. In K shell how many electrons? In K shell 2 electrons. Okay, and also there is another shell, and in L shell, first shell is the K shell and second shell is the L shell. And in L shell how many electrons we can draw? 8 electrons. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8. So in this way we draw the Bohr model of what? Neon. Bohr model of, in this way we draw the Bohr model of neon. The atomic number is 10 and we write the electronic configuration as 2 8. And first of all we write the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Then we draw the what? When we draw the shells. So here the electronic configuration is 2 8, and then first draw the K shell. Okay, first draw the K shell, and second we draw the L shell, 2 8. Okay, so in this way we draw the electronic or Bohr model of neon. And we can check another example also. The example is argon. Argon, what is the atomic number of argon? What about the atomic number of argon? Atomic number of argon is 18. Atomic number of argon is 18. Then first of all we find the number of neutrons and protons. Proton is equal to 18 and neutron is equal to the mass number of argon is 40. The mass number of argon is 40, and 40 minus 18. Then we get how many neutrons? We get how many neutrons? 22. Okay, 22. Okay. So number of neutron is equal to 22. Then and also we write the electronic configuration. Atomic number is 18. Then how we write the electronic configuration? The electronic configuration of argon is 2 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Then how many electrons are remaining? 8 electrons. Okay, 2 8 8. So the electronic configuration is 2 8 8, and we can draw the structure also, Bohr model. Okay, so first of all we draw the nucleus. How many electrons and protons? How many neutrons and protons? 18 protons and 22 neutrons. Okay, then 2 8 8. So K shell, L shell and M shell is needed to draw this Bohr model of argon. Okay, then first of all we draw the K shell, and then we draw the L shell, then we draw the M shell. Okay, and we fill the electrons according to the electronic configuration. Okay, so first of all in K shell there is 2 electrons. First of all we നമ്മൾ 2 electrons. In K shell there is 2 electrons, so we draw 2 electrons. In L shell there is 8 electrons. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And in M shell how many electrons? 8 electrons. Okay, then we draw 8 electrons also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, what is the electronic configuration? 288. So what is this? Argon. So this is the Bohr model of argon, and the atomic number is equal to 18, then the electronic configuration is 288, and in this way we can draw the Bohr model of what? Bohr model of argon. Okay, so in this class we were discussed about what? We were discussed about how to draw the Bohr model from the electronic configuration, and first of all we find the number of neutrons and protons, and in the center of the nucleus we write the number of neutrons and protons, then we draw the K shell, L shell, M shell, something like that. So here in argon there is K shell, L shell and M shell, and here we draw the K shell, L shell and M shell. Okay, so here in K shell there is 2 electron, so first of all we draw the K shell and fill 2 electrons there, and second subshell there is L shell, and how many electrons? 8. So in the second shell we draw the 8 electrons, and in M shell also 8 electrons, so we draw the third subshell M shell and we fill the 8 electrons. Okay, hope you have understand how to draw the Bohr model from the electronic configuration. So in the next class we will discuss about the isotopes. So now we can wind up the class. Thank you.